and say, well, everyone else has failed, here we are. Not because they have the answers. They helped everybody else fail. And they've been that way for a very long time. So don't deceive yourself about their sincerity. No, they're not sincere. They're not sincere. And that's one of the reasons. What did P.Chris say the other day? That the reason she tore the paper, the speech, the president's, was because he was lying. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is in Trump's first administration, one of the major things they wanted the public to believe was that he didn't tell the truth. He lied. But Trump didn't lie. They lied. And they haven't stopped lying. So, sometimes you hear, but Trump didn't tell the truth. How do you know? Because the other guy said so? Or you were with them in the meeting? Among all these leaders, the only one so far we know has been bold to talk directly to his adversaries has been Trump.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if he comes out to say, they said this, we can be sure they did. Why? Because he has the boldness to talk directly to them. Others don't talk to them. You don't talk to their adversaries. Well, so the nations are currently polarized in different directions. But all of those things have no impact on the church. No impact whatsoever. Their polarization doesn't mean there's no peace. Remember, we didn't say peace between nations. We said peace in the nations. If there's peace in the nations, there will be peace between nations. Let's have peace in the nations. So, if you don't like the trouble between nations, pray for peace in the nations. Because there are those who are seeking peace between nations, but nation one is taking advantage of nation two.
Yes, sir.
And enforcing peace. There was peace between France and the West African Francophone countries.
Yes, sir.
But they were ripping them off.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Ripping them off. So there was no peace in those nations because they were suffering. They were broke. Because France was robbing them.
AI assistants are turning online stores.
Don't be deceived. When the president of France, whether it's dead one or the living one, makes no difference. Same agenda. So when the president of France says, we are friends of Africa, they're not friends of Africa. Go and look at the conditions of their friendship. And you'll be amazed at the rip-off that was taking place for so long. And listen hard. It was not meant to continue forever. And that's why several of the Francophone countries were waking up and throwing France out of their country. They had to do it. They were fed up. Go and look at their conditionalities policies. Then you understand. What were those countries going through? They had nothing. France made them pay for everything. Complete rip-off. An enslavement that went on such a satanic way. Very cruel.